Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I will talk about Google's helpful content update, and in this video I will share with you three websites case study where two websites are going great during the update and one website is not growing. And what I did, I will try to find out the reason why the first website is not growing but second and third website is growing really well. And I also come up with a checklist that you can use for your own blog and check all those factors I have identified, and I am pretty sure actually those are the main reason behind this website growth. So I believe that if you're watching this video, that means like maybe your site traffic is not growing. So trust me, this video will really help you. You just make some patience and watch the whole video, and trust me, it will help you a lot more. And not only that, I will gonna share with you a checklist step by step that will there you will find all the things that I have implemented on my website. So let's check on it. So before I create this video, let me give you some brief. What's the update about? Like what is Google Helpful Content Update? So in short, like Google Helpful Content is update is about like finding those websites who actually work for search engine, not for people. So Google's goal is to like really find out those website owner who actually care about Google, what Google are, how Google works, and how Google are actually ranking website, who actually do not care about the user. So in this particular update, Google is trying to find out who are the websites owner, and they are actually coming. So if you are like got stuck for this update, that means that Google have identified you, that you are not giving value to your audience, rather that you are like focusing on Google. So these are the meaning of this update. And I just want to mention another thing, that is Google content update history. Many people are actually like during this update, like their website traffic jumped or reduced a lot. So due to this reason, people maybe can think that this is the first update of Google helpful content update, but it's no. Here you can see that Google actually come up with this helpful content update in August 2022. And not only that, it's the third version of the update. So Google started this update like around a year ago, and it's now third version of it. And yeah, these are the thing. And in the next section, I will share with you three websites, like overview. And you can see like they are the first website, like the website has like total number of around 500K clicks to the website. But as I already shown you that the update actually started on around a year ago or more. So none of the update actually helped this website to gain traffic. If the site is losing traffic day by day. And yeah, there are some reasons why it's not growing. I will tell you later. So yeah, this is the first website I want to share with you. And the second website is like here you can see the second website. And you can see this website is growing like without like getting any kind of penalties and any kind of pause. Like the growth is pretty straightforward, and blah, the site is booming. And here is the third website I will share with you. This website is also growing. And yeah, so you have to take ways here. Like the first website is not growing, but second and third website is growing like perfectly and during this update or after the update. Or I cannot see any changes during this update session. So in the next part, like I will share with you like why those sites are growing and why the some website is not growing. So here like in this section I will share it like a detailed comparison. So what I did, like as the update is about content, so I come up with the content suggestions part. Like here you can see in the first section, like I shared the content update frequent. So what you have seen that the first website is not growing and second and third is growing. So I have added winner so that you can remember this thing. So what happening, Google the first website isn't updating their content regularly. And not only that, if I will say like they haven't update, like after publishing the content they haven't update a bit of the content, and most of the content are around 1, 2 or 3 years ago. So these are the main thing I have found on the first website content. And the second and third website you can see is growing, it changes content frequently. And what we did like in our agency, like we always check all the content that are not, like for example, we do a comparison report, we come up with a comparison report, and in this report we try to identify which pages are not get click compared to the previous month. Like we try to find out which are the lowest click driving pages. So we come up, we find those pages first, and later that we submit to our content department to update those content. So what we did for the second and third website, we updated all the contents regularly. So yeah, these are the thing in three sides regarding the content update, and you can see the first website is not growing, and maybe this can be a reason. So let's go and jump to the next step. Now everybody talking about AI writing, so I had to add this in second position, because uh, many people are actually don't know is AI working or not. So here you can see the scenario, like the first website like haven't used any type of AI tool, but the second and third website used the AI tool. And not only that, what we do it on second and third website, like after writing through AI, like we like we collaborate with an industry expert in the niche, and the person actually fact checked all the content before publishing. So it doesn't matter like how we are writing the content. When we submit to the like expert, they actually fact check all the things before it publication. So here you can see that the second and third website actually used AI, and the first website is didn't use AI. And the third point is images. Images is actually very important, I do think. And here you can see that the first website used custom graphics images, but the second and third website actually like tried to use images from seller. Sellers means like as it's an e-commerce website, so what they did, the owner of the website actually like reached to the product owner, and they ask for some media and graphics so that they can use in their blog. And so this is the reason. And the second website is actually also used Canva for images. So yeah, here are the update about image. And here the thing is about backlinks. I understand that everyone is like some of the people in the group, in the community, who actually prefer to acquire backlink or like get backlink, and some of the people are not. So here you can see the highest number of backlink in the first website, and it has around like 1600 backlinks so far. And the second and third website like 530 and 250. So these are the number of backlinks. So as you can see, the site is not growing. The site has like top number of backlink, and it actually in terms of like industry, like these websites actually have highest backlink in the industry. About us page, and you can see that first website has no like about us page, and second and third have. And the next part is like author section. In during this update, like people are like pushing author a lot. So that's the reason I'm coming up with this particular suggestion too. And see there, like the first website has no author bio, and not only that, the second website isn't have the author bio, but third website have. Uh, so if I talk about these points, key point, like don't think that author is really highly needed things if I compare to the other section. Like it's number six position maybe, so sixth or seventh. Don't so the point is here actually author is important, but not as much like other points I already discussed. So that's the thing I have identified during this comparison. And here you can see the domain type. It's a niche domain. It's also a niche domain. And it's a branding domain. And here you can see the industry. It's the website is under health industry, this website is under entertainment, and this website is under fashion. If I talk about writers, people are talking about only expert people can write the content. So here you can see a different scenario. Like first website used industry expert writer. The second website isn't use like any industry expert writer. They use generic writer who actually write about all the topics in the world. And the third website is actually, they, as I told you, that this website actually most blogs are written by AI. So what they did, like they used like an expert to verify their content. So they also haven't used any like high quality content writer to write the content, but what they did, they actually used someone who can fact check, and who really what I say, like really expert in the industry. And here you can see the social media stuff, like uh, the first website has like social media, the second website is no, and third website is yes. So here you can also see, as you can see, the second website is going pretty well without having a social media link. So I understand, like everybody understand, I believe the value of having social media link, but in conclusion, it's that must not impact compared to other elements here, but it's really important. I'm not against with it, but I just trying to like find out the priority ones, like which are the priority in my website. So yeah, these are the things in social media is important, but the second website is growing without any social media link. Here you can see the business. I already shared with you all in under the ecom industry. All the website has like blog section. The first website has app, but second and third wasn't any app. And the newsletter, all the websites is offering newsletter. And finally, the contact us page. All the website has like contact us page. So this is the reason behind all the three websites, and you can see. Not only that, you can keep this as a screenshot, and end of the video, I will add this like this checklist in the comment section, so that you can cross match with your website, like what you have and what you do not have. And there you can also like comparison, like what is not what is not have on in your website. So I believe we're done with the comparison part, and next what we will do, like we will come up with suggestions. Like here I will give my suggestions. I believe that these 8 suggestions will like if you can follow this 8 simple suggestion, I am pretty sure that your site will grow, because you have seen why I'm talking about what's the base of my of my sources. So yeah, the first update is regularly updated content are doing really well. You have seen that the second and third website used like they have updated their content regular basic, but the first website didn't update their content in a year or 2 or 3. So I highly recommend to update your content in regular basis. And what you will do, you will go on Google Search Console, and you can see comparison data, like and here there you can see the previous month data and the next month data. And based on that, you actually can find out what are the pages got less click compared to previous month. So you can start your updating your content from there. It will, I believe it will be really helpful. So keep update your content first. And the second part is AI content isn't a fact if the content is checked by an like industry expert. So we have a lot of question about it, like is AI is like people is fighting with AI? No, people, like Google is not fighting with AI. Actually, Google is trying to identify your content is helpful enough or not. If your content is helpful, then it doesn't matter it's written by AI or not. So that's the main, that is second suggestions I have for you. The third part is authentic images website are performing better. You have seen that the second and third website is growing, and they have used authentic images from sellers. So if you are in the e-commerce industry, you can ask for the real images. And if you are a blogger, you can also like ask for like product images from some the product you are like promoting. So these are the way like you can maybe make sure the authentic video but authentic images. But I'm pretty sure like this strategy will work in SEO. And the fourth part is high number backlink isn't valuable is if your content is not helpful. So what I'm trying to say here is like you can have a like you can buy a lot of links, but trust me, if your content isn't up to the mark, you go not gonna rank. So backlink is important, but you have to make sure that your content is updated, your content is helpful too. Later, the if you push backlink, this will like boost your website ranking. In the fifth position, we have seen that or like the first website has no about us page, but second and third website have. So about us page may be a ranking factor, and you should have this page. In the sixth point, actually having author is important, but not as much as we talk and focus about brand and actual valuable content. So I'm not against with the author. It's really helpful. I'm not talking in that way. But what I'm trying to say is like here like definitely you should have an like author section, but you should focus on other stuff like too, because like having social media link and having author page is not only thing that Google is considering. Yeah, these are the thing like so the next part is like Niche and brand domain both are working. Actually, some of the people ask on communities, like they are confused like what type of domain they should buy. And here you can see that niche and branded, both domains are working like smoothly and perfectly. There is no problem. And finally, only industry writer content will rank. It's not true. Like if like here I'm come up with this last suggestion is like only industry writer isn't the only ranking factor. There has a tons of factor like your content structure, formatting, media, images, videos. All the four things are equally important than like hiring an industry expert. Definitely, industry writer can write better content, but if you don't have other factors in your content, then I don't think it will work. So yeah, here are my suggestions. Hopefully you it will help you. And I have come up with this suggestion based on this comparison, and you have seen that which actually elements are actually behind these two and second and third website growing. So I hope this will help you. So yeah, these are the things about these are the like suggestions from my end. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my video so that I will feel motivated to create another video. And what I will do, like I will try to come up with another video. The video will be under like service industry, so that who like in this like people, if you are like watching this video and if do not have an e-commerce website, so having like if you get the service video as well, then you can see and compare your service website too, like which things are working or not. And finally, I just want to say, if you need any SEO free, like if you need any SEO help or consultation, just visit my website abdullamahmood.com/consultant/SEO. So, and I will give the link in the description as well. So to get like any kind of consultation. So thank you very much for your time. Happy blogging.